Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to help you learn how to log into Skout dating application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do is download Skout application on your device. After you do that, tap open the application, and then you can log into Skout with your Google account and other login options displayed at the bottom of the screen. Let me tap on Login with Google, and you'll need to choose your Google account in order to log into your account. Go ahead and choose an account, or you can add any other account as well by tapping on Add Another Account. Enter your email or your phone number associated with the account, and after you're done, tap on the Next button. After you do that, enter your password for your account. On the next field where it says enter your password, make sure to type in the correct password associated with your account. If you want to double check your password, then tap on show password box, and doing this will reveal the password you've typed in the box. In case you've forgotten your password, tap on forgot password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner, and you'll be logged in to your Skout dating application. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.